Hello everyone, welcome back. Please subscribe to my channel for more tasty and amazing recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to wash and store the leafy vegetables. So what you do is you take a big vessel with a big surface area and fill the water around half of it, and then add like 2 big tablespoons of salt in it and baking soda. A little bit of baking soda. Mix it well. Then add your leafy vegetables or coriander or anything that you can use. Mix well and leave it for around 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Let all the mud and everything settle down in the water below. If you want, you can add a little bit of water also. So it has rested for around 5 minutes. What we do is remove it, throw away this water, and again clean the vegetables using only water. You don't need to add salt and baking soda to it again. And add the vegetables again to it. Wash it thoroughly. You can do this with all your leafy vegetables. So all the residue is settled down. One way of drying these, once you wash this, is you take a clean cloth and dry your vegetables, leafy vegetables, on the cloth and let them air dry, like the ones we have done with this also. Another way of doing it is you take a cloth bag which is unused, or your shoe mitts which you have at home which are very clean, which have not been used. What you do is, if you want them more dried, you put your leafy vegetables in these, tie it with a rubber band. This is my mom's idea. And put these bags in the washing machine on the spin mode. Then this will be absolutely dried and which will be ready to use and which stay for a longer time also. Okay, so these are the vegetables that have come out from the washing machine. The coriander that I showed you, I'll just show you how it looks. Mom, just zoom in please. See, this is completely dried. There is no water. See. I'll show you all how to store these leafy vegetables. This is how we store throughout the year. So we both thought of sharing this idea with you all. You take a reusable container. You take a kitchen towel. You wrap it around. Cover the edges too and cover the sides too. Place the coriander leaves gently, how much ever fit in the container. This you can do it with a steel container also. Wrap another kitchen towel over the top. So you can do this and cover it. In this way you can store your coriander leaves. I'll show you another way of storing the leafy vegetables, which is machine dried. You can see this also. This is absolutely dried. There is no water remaining. It's completely dried. So another way of doing it is to store it. You take a newspaper. Place your leafy vegetables. This way you can do your methi, your palak, which are thoroughly washed, air dried or machine dried. Cover it up. There's no problem with the newspaper ink as it is completely dried. so the ink is not going to stain the vegetables. You wrap it around and store this in a bag and refrigerate them. In these two ways, you can wash and store all your leafy vegetables. As we all are in this lockdown together, we need to store all the fruits and vegetables for a longer period. So I hope you all find this video helpful. Please share your feedbacks. See you next time. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.